Guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this vlog is going to be like my river trip vlog. We come here literally every year, and so I decided that I'm going to vlog it this year. We got here last night at like 1 a.m. and I was like exhausted, so I didn't film anything, which is fine because all I did was go to sleep. But yeah, today we're about to go shopping, so I will vlog that once we go. These jeans are too big, so they're going to be a no. We're at PacSun right now, by the way, and these are just going to be a no. Jackson, are you full now? Are you still going to be hangry?
I've been full and I have to poop.
Okay. We just ate at Shake Shack.
What?
I said we just ate at Shake Shack.
Oh, I thought you were asking me something. I was like, it actually was good.
We're at Hollister now. This is this dress. I think it's too long. That may be slutty-ish for me to say, but I wish it was shorter. It's too long. Okay, well, this one is actually cute. And she has pockets. So cute. Love it. Okay, this is American Eagle, and I actually like this one. Okay guys, I got my senior backpack. So cute. There's actually a lot of room in here. I feel like it looks like there's no room, but there's actually a lot of room in here. I picked this one because Mom said this is basically enwraps me. Right? That's the right word?
Your mom can switch some
Sure.
baby.
This was basically me when I was little. Princesses, everything. So, and then we don't even get to keep them. We only have them for like the first week, and then we donate them to little kids who need them. And then from American Eagle, I got this dress for a photo shoot that me and Jonah have for like 4-year. So cute. He wanted me to wear blue, so I found me a blue dress that I actually like.
How many more times are you going to say cute?
A bunch. And then I got this bubble skirt from Aerie. It's like $10, which is like insane, but super cute. I wanted the white one, but they didn't have a small, so I had to get the black one. And then I got one more thing. Let me see. And then lastly, I got this tube top. I think it's freaking adorable. It's literally so cute.
It's reversible?
Yeah, you can wear it either the like shell side or you can wear it the yellow. And then I'm gonna show you all of Jackson's shirts. No, not that one. Hold on. He got this one. It's just like a brown plain t-shirt. Kind of nice. And then this nice like boxy top. It's Texas. Super cute. Oh, you didn't want the hoodie, Jax?
No, it's like $60.
Oh shoot.
I was just trying it on.
Another Texas shirt. Big Texas fan up in here, I guess. And then lastly, this is for Jonah. The big white t-shirt.
It looks like purple.
Yeah, it does look kind of purpley because of how white it is. And that was all from Hollister. Thanks for our haul. Thanks, Mom.
Welcome.
We just got back to the trailer park. We stopped and got snow cones on the way, and I'm so pumped. We were gonna get Sonic, but we didn't pass one. So, or by the time we like looked for Sonic, we'd already passed it. So snow cones instead, which honestly, in my opinion, is better. So, if you're wondering, this is yellow birthday cake, wedding cake, and tiger's blood.
Happy birthday to you. Why are you putting it over there? Happy birthday, dear Patrick. Happy birthday to you.
All right. Stand up and go. I ain't got no panties on.
Oh, here, it's right there. It's gonna blow it out.
That was perfect.
Oh,
It keeps coming up, and I don't know why.
Me as well, see.
Yay!
What do you put?
Mia.
There you go. Grab the knot up above. Nope.
Nice. Oh, it's cold. Oh no, are we going the wrong way? Joey's pushing us. Ow. Oh, that hurt. No, I'm stuck. Hey guys, I'm still floating. I'm just floating along. I think I'm getting like super tan. Can you see my tan line? Hopefully. Ugh. I'm like so unattractive in this position, but like I need to tan my back, so it is what it is. Oh, there's more rapids. Let's get hype. Anyways, we're just cruising along. We already stopped and ate lunch. And we're just chilling. Jackson got left. I wonder if you could see him. He's chugging along to try to catch up with Ethan, who went all the way up there with his tube. Oh no, my tummy's on this rock. I have to move. Oh, it's literally dragging on my tummy. Can you pull us? Jackson,
What?
can you pull us?
I don't know.
You look pretty burnt there, bud.
Where?
Everywhere. Your chest too.
How about look at this?
Holy crap, see, you're burnt. That'll feel good later.
Never got sunburn on my legs.
Not really, but I guess we're going this way. Trying to paddle fast enough. She's freaking zooming over there. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Oh, feels good though. It's actually really hot. Lift up your butt. Wait. I'm stuck on a rock. Oh, it's so cold. I freed us. Oh, I'm about to get stuck on a rock again. There we go. Living on. Oh, there's a rock. I'm gonna get stuck on it. Go, Bella. I told you I was gonna get stuck on it. Okay, I'm free. There's my op right there. My op and rockin'. Bro, my mom is really so far ahead. Whee! Oh, feels good. Let's see if we get stuck here again. We got stuck over here yesterday. Doing good so far. Doing good, doing good. Okay, where are we going? Where are we going? Where am I going? Woo! Woo! He's stuck on the ledge. Where'd your mom go? She's way gone. Is it clear? I think it's clear. Bye guys! Oh, they're following us. A little scared. More back.